So just first of all, I on this my planes showing the all planes right there. This is my all plane. I just click on this option, hide and show primary planes. Just click
Okay.
on it, and then you got the all planes right there. Okay. And then I want to create something and selected the front plane. Is any plane you can select it, and then go to the sketch pattern, right?
Okay.
And then for the strip boss base, we need to strip is used. I already talk about to some object we can create here, and then you can strip on what this part. Then this is called the strip mode, right?
Right.
Okay. Suppose here I just make something right here. I just create a line here,
Okay.
one line here, and then also one line here. Okay. And just select it. And then also smart drawing, I just assign its size is my 150, and then this is my 150 also. Okay.
Okay.
And then one thing I do, I just select this one to this one, and then is distance. I just write here. Mm, not to this. Just use this again,
Okay.
and then just this point to this point distance. Oh, sorry. I just click on this point
Okay.
and this point. Oh, I think this will be shown. One second. Oh, something is fishy. Uh, why this not working? Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, to this just delete it. It's zero. I just write here as a zero because I want to. So as a top model, right?
Okay. Right.
Okay, because I want to in baseline of the origin points in x-axis. Then next
Okay.
one, what we do here, I want to this. I think want to do one thing also is my I just fillet it. Okay,
Okay.
just click on the fillet and then change the fillet size is 50 mm. I
Okay.
think the 50 I just write here the 70 or I think is 100. I think 100 mm. Okay, I just fillet
Okay.
it and then make this type of shape. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Then second, what you do, this will be done, and then after that, I just exit my sketch, right?
Okay.
This will be shown here. I want to make some hole right here. Okay,
Okay.
how can we create this hole? But first of all, I declare as a plane. How can we declare the plane? For the declaring the plane, another plane in instead of this planes, you can also declare your reference planes right here. Then you go to the features, and then here we have the option of reference. Inside the reference, we have the plane option also. Okay.
Okay.
Click on the plane option, and where you want to make a reference, first reference plane, click on this portion, and after that, where you want to start with your drawing, center point drawing. So I just make a one reference plane right here. This is my
Okay.
reference plane. And then for this, using this plane, I make a sketch model right here.
Okay.
To create here, I just create here as a sketch. You can also do as a to normal. And then what you do, just I make here in this about the center point, I make here is a circle.
Okay.
And then right here, this dimensions is I supposed to be right here is my suppose is 40. Okay. Any of dimension you can write here. Okay. And then just click on exit sketch. This will be part will be made. I just make this one. This is my object super mode. This is my reference line, and this is my object. I want to sweep it on and make as a 3D model. Then what you do, come to this portion and then click on sweep boss space. Click on
Okay.
sweep boss space right here. Your sketch is selected right there. This is my sketch, and next one is your profile. So how can we select the profile? I just click on it, and this is my profile. See
Okay.
that? I just selected the sketch profile. At the earlier moment, I just doing this is the wrong way. But here we have the sketch profile is in a different plane, and then my sketch is different plane. That's why this will be an issue right here. Okay. And then here you see that what you have to got here, we got this type of curve line, and this will be solid object. That's
Okay.
clear.
Yes.
Okay. If you can use to be come to the is find this thin feature. Here we have the thin features options also. If you click in
Okay.
the thin feature, then what you see that here you can see here is a hole inside it. See that?
Okay. Yeah.
If you I click on yes, then what you see here inside the hole,
Inside the
inside
hole.
this hole.
Okay.
Okay. I again come to this pass and then I just edit the features. Come to this portion. This is my feature option, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Again, I edit it. In this theme feature, we have multiple options right here. Is one direction. First of all, is my one direction. You can also change the size, suppose 5 mm. So this is my depth of the 5 mm right here in outside. Okay.
Okay.
Where we have to find out the depth is here outside. Okay. Outside your 5 mm. If you change it, then what you see here inside the 5 mm. Depth is taken
Oh,
inside the 5 mm, and if you
mm,
check this, depth is taken outside the 5 mm of your circle. Okay, this circle is
okay.
45 mm, and then you can thickness you can curve is 45. Total is 45. But if you
Okay.
just change this direction below, then my circle hole is my 35 mm, and then this thin pitch is 50. Or total is 40 mm. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because if you cursor is move, and then if you want to show here to this portion, I just click on this portion, not this face. I just show has your this piece, and then just see that this is your main circle, not this. If you want to see that, this is your main circle, right?
All right.
If you are to use as a mid plane, right? Here is used as a mid plane, then what will happen? My circle in form of mid, and then here 2.5 and here is 2.5 thickness, right?
Right.
Both the ways is even, and the total diameter of this one is a hole, and with this is 40, not the 45, it's 42.5, right?
Right.
If you use here is two directions. Suppose I use here two direction, then what will happen? One direction is outer direction, and the other direction is my other one direction. Suppose I write here a 3. So in between, the inside is 3 mm, and then outside is 5 mm.
Yeah.
Okay. You
Okay.
can make all any types of the way by using the sketch profiles right here. Okay.
Okay.
That's clear.
Yes. Clean.
Simple. This is where you can create your strip.
Okay. So we need to use with the top front plane, we need to put the length adjustment and
Yeah.
make one
Yeah. You
plane
can
as a
easily
surface.
do it. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That's
Okay.
clear. By using of this way, you can create this type of things, right? Hmm?
Right. Right.
Right. So
Yes.
this
Right.
way you can create this form. Correct?
Options. I There is
Yeah,
more
your options are
options. I
also there. More options are there, right? Every each
Right.
and every option we talk about in today's and letters also, because all options are not just right there. Okay, because
Okay.
some of option is in advanced using in advanced which are not the basic features,
Okay.
basic solid modeling. But some
o-
of is using in this part also. Okay, don't worry
o-
about this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Okay. Then come to the next portion is this is my simple example you can see here. So how to make your sweep command, how to use a sweep command, and then make a whole type of things and then other solid object in any faces. But remember that you can always take a two plane. One plane is your profile sketch, and then other plane your sketch where you want to show that, right?
Right.
Okay. Come to the I just click on new file, make a new part. So just start with that. And then I want to do here, I just click on it and then go to the sketch module. I just click on this portion
Okay.
and then I make one line of center position to upside
Okay.
and mark as a dimensions. Dimension is I mark is 100 mm.
Okay.
And then I just exit this sketch.
Okay.
And after that, I choose here as your top plane. Inside it, first of all, I choose as a front plane, and the next one is
Blank.
I just choose as top plane.
So, okay.
And then go to the sketch module, go to the normal, okay?
Okay.
And then what I do? I just make is a circle of this line
Okay.
and mark as a dimension is, I just mark as dimension is 6 mm, okay?
Okay.
And this I do that. This is V. I want to create here. Okay.
It is not in the center, right? It is
No, I
like,
don't make. I want to do as a center position, right?
okay.
You can, if you want to change this directions also right there, but I don't need it. I just exist as a sketch
Okay.
and then do one thing. Go to the. This is look like as a simple one. I'm draw the line and then this is just see that what I do here. I just click on sketch and then my profile is my this. Magar this will be work like that, but I don't want to do is this way. Go to the option part, follow the path. Okay, yeah, if
Okay.
we keep normal constant, I have follow the path. And in this case, I use a specified twist value. Just
Okay.
click on the twist value, and then inside the twist value, I just use as a evolution.
Okay.
And then 1 second, I write here as a evolution is my 10. Okay. Then what you see here,
Like a spring.
like a spring, right? I just
Right.
use this profile and then make as a twisted. Right?
So, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So click on it, then this will be profile will make here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I do one thing is wrong in this case because I here I just choose wrong plane is not top plane. In this case, we choose here the front plane because in this case this is will be shown as like a hole around it, right? Because I want to depth also, but in this case we don't find out depth. I
Okay.
just one thing do also again I create this and then explain other again. I just click on part module and click on OK.
Okay.
I just open my all plans. First of all,
Okay.
I select my front plane and then same thing I make here. Go to the sketch. Just click on so what will happen? 1 second. Okay. I just click on line command and then make a line, straight line,
Okay.
and then mark as a distance of any. You can mark any of the distance. Suppose 120 mm, 1 mm. This is just an example right here. Okay, as your choice, you can here to do.
Okay.
And second one is thing is your then you can access your sketch and then
Okay.
select is your right plane and then again you can click this portion go to normal and make as a circle right here, okay,
Okay.
and this right here is a dimension is your suppose I say check here is a 6 and now also distance between them is origin point want to just make a dimensions first 1 2 3 and then make a distance between them is my I think jam no, not here to 15 mm, right?
Okay.
Okay. Just exit is my face. Okay.
Okay.
And then what you do? Just go to the feature, swipe boss. Here, this is a sketch, and then this is my profile.
Uh, Profile.
Right?
Okay.
Okay. In this case, we don't have find out anything right here. Then what you do? go to the specified twist value.
Just
Okay.
one.
By the degree, I don't want to degree, I just use the revolution. Then I
Oh,
write here as a 10. Then what you see here, this is to look like a better sprint, right?
right, right.
How many evolution you want to do here, then you can make it, right? Yeah?
Okay, okay,
Okay. By using this way, you can also using the swift command, you can make this type of thing also. This is simple way you can create it, this part.
okay.
Just simple. Just
Yes,
create.
yeah,
Okay. Others part, other options are also talk as other way. Okay. But this
okay,
is a simple way you can by practice first of all these options right here. Okay. You
okay,
don't worry about it. All the parts will be covered. Okay.
okay.
That's clear.
Yes, yes.
This is my sweep boss best. Same of the sweep cut. We have the option of the sweep cut also. Here we
Okay,
have the option of the sweep cut. Okay. Just check the example of the sweep cut. How does sweep cut work? You can know about the sweep boss, how the sweep boss and base will work, right?
right.
Then come to the new profile and just click on new part right there and then click on OK. Just click in portion. And
Okay,
then in this case, you select any of the plane. I select the topmost and go to the
okay,
sketch. And then I just make a rectangle right there.
okay,
Center rectangle I choose here. The center point. I make this type of rectangle and then right here are my dimensions. Is I take as a 140 and then here half of the 140 is take as a 70. Yeah, that's one. Then one thing also I do here, I just fetch fillet it each and every options corner points, right?
okay,
Click on OK. This is my profile I make here.
okay.
This simple sketch I make here, right here. I
Yes,
would say I want to make here one thing also. Okay. So
okay,
then come to the next portion. This is my part, right?
yes,
And then in this case, I want to make here to just select this front plane. Okay. Not the
okay,
other plane. I just click on it and go to the normal. One
okay,
second. Just choose right one or not. Just check this out. Yeah, I choose right one. Okay. Just go to normal. I go to normal. And then what I do? I do to make here as my rectangle. Yeah, center rectangle, whatever it is you want to do here. So I just make this one.
okay,
And then I may mark as a dimension is to center point to this is my 35.
okay,
Okay. And after
okay,
that, I just mark this is my 6 mm. And this is my, I take here is a 10 mm.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
And as this portion to this portion, I use as a 5 because I want to insert as a center position on this.
okay,
And after that, this is my simple dimension. Then make one other circle right here. And just click on the dimension and write the dimension is mark is a dimension of this. And this is my 4 mm.
okay,
And this one is my, suppose is checking his ears 6 mm.
okay,
And this portion to this portion I taken here is a 3.
okay,
And then just trim into this, just trim it. This portion I
okay,
make here. Okay.
okay,
Just see this 1 second. My object is created is go down out.
okay,
Okay, right here. Okay, then what you do, just exist my sketch, go to
Okay.
the mm, go to this strip base module. If you
Okay.
click on this and then I click on this portion,
Okay.
then not this is not example of this part. This is my simple example of strip part. Okay, I just click on this. Okay,
Okay.
strip boss module and just click on. Okay, here you what you see here. What's the make here?
Mm,
If you click this portion, then what's why make here?
uh,
Some type of this type of structures
yeah,
with the
sometimes.
type of strip boss space.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
If you want to also want to check this is by using the section cut. This is my option of the section view. If you want to
Mm,
section cut the value, just click on the section view. This will be shown the section view. Okay.
okay.
This will be shown the section view. Any of the direction you want to show here, then you can show the section view. If you want to display section view, you can see here. If you want to see display section view, you can also see here. Okay.
Okay.
Any
Yes.
plane of section view you can see here. And then this is your half portion will be shown. And then this is my section view. Just click. Simply, I
Yes.
make this type of object and then I just strip it. Then this type of object will be created right there.
Yes.
Okay, if you want to remove the section, you just click on it and then your section will be removed.
Okay.
This is simple way you can use it to the extrude strip boss. Okay, I just make key example for the strip boss to how to use the strip. Okay,
These for zip cut, right?
yeah. Okay, next one I could talk about the strip cut because this is not example of strip cut. This is an example of strip boss space. Okay.
Okay.
I
Okay.
just do a song because strip cut is done on you have already have a 3D profile. But in this case, we don't have any 3D profile right here. That's why strip cut is not working right here.
Okay.
This is used for the making of 3D profile, and then strip cut is used for cut your 3D profiles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clear.
Okay. Okay, then I just make here the strip piece. Okay, then I just use a new part. Click here
Okay.
my new part right here, and just I just my open my all references. And then what we do, I just select as a top plane
Okay.
and then sketch and then use as my this one.
Okay.
And also inside it, I use here as a circle,
Okay.
mark as a dimension of this radius. I mark as here is my suppose is 40 mm. Okay.
Okay.
And this one is marked here is my 20 mm. Okay.
Okay.
Then I exit my sketch and go to the feature and then use extrude boss first. I just extrude it because I want to make it as a 3D profile.
Okay.
And then I use as a midplane first of all. And
Okay.
then I write here as a 3D profile size is my 20 is good.
Okay.
Okay, 20 is good. But that's it. But I want to do is this is look like as your nut ball, but
Yes.
in this case we have this is my the chamfer. This is portion is my chamfer right there. Okay. You need
Okay.
to see that in the nut ball. Is bolt you can see here is this is point is my chamfer, then how can we make as a chamfer? For this part what you do, select this face. Okay, first of all you
Okay.
select this face, go to the sketch module, click on the sketch module to the normal to normal here,
Okay.
and then I
Okay.
want to make something right there. And then what you do, I just click this line to this and this line,
Okay.
and then come to the portion of this, make as the dimensions this line to this line and then mark as my angle is 30 degree. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then what I do? I just exist my sketch
Okay.
and go to the feature and
Okay.
select my strip cut.
Okay.
What I select here? Select my strip cut.
Good. Good.
And then what we do? Select this is my sketch and this is my profile.
Okay.
Right? This is my profile. I
Uh,
think no space here. 1 second. Delete it. I select my profile is this one. Mm, I just select each and every cases. Okay. Okay, solid profile. I just select my solid profile. What I do wrong here? 1 second.
okay.
This is my profile. Not this one. This is my sketch. This is my sketch, and this is my profile. Okay.
Okay.
And follow part. Not attached. Not here is a evolution. I don't want to use as a evolution. Zig is okay. Uh, 1 second. What will happen right here? I think. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, 1 second. I think solid profile I just use here. This is my profile. Okay, solid profile. In the solid profile, we just use as a solid profile. Uh, no, not a guide curve with this. In this case, we use uh, select this profile and okay, path is always good. Why this will be not shown here? This one, uh, I just select this one. Now, 1 second. Here we got any society. Not to this part. Oh, sorry. I think I forgot to make a part right here. I just forgot. I just use again.
Okay.
I just delete it first of all
Okay.
because I forgot to make something else. Go to sketch model.
Okay.
And first of all, I make a profile because I can't
Okay.
make it as a profile. As this is my profile right here.
Okay.
After that, on behalf of this profile, I just make this one also for select my front plane. And then but first of all, I just exist my sketch and then select front plane.
Okay.
And yeah, I think to this one is selected here. And then I do as a sketch. Not front plane I select here. And then I use a sketch to normal. And in this case, I just make same thing where you want to say make here. What happened? 1 second. I think line is not working. Uh, 1 second.
Do we need to exit that one?
Oh, night. Why 9 is not working active? 1 second. I think what's with do so discard and exit. Okay. I think okay, this is really fine. I selected the plane is called. So if I selected this one, then this will be
Okay.
not work. I selected this one, then this will be work. Front plane to normal. That's why line is not working. Okay, now line is working.
Mm,
Sometimes it's not really matching. Okay, this is my profile, and then this is my angle. I just show here. It's 30.
okay.
Click on OK. Go to the axis exchange. Go to the feature, sweep cut, and then this is my sketch. And then next one is my profile. Select my profile. Profile is my this.
Okay.
Why this is shown as outer ring? No, this is not perfectly do it. If I click OK, no, I think something is fishy right here. I go and edit this first after that, and then select this one
Okay.
and move entities to this point. I just move it, not this entities. And second, delete relation, because in this case we have the relation of 9. Okay, what will be happening? This will not work properly. Delete relations. Delete angle relations. Delete this one also. Okay, this is fishy right here. Then what I do? Just delete this object. I just click on this portion and delete this object. Come to this one. I just click. Okay. Oh, I just choose switches strategically and click on OK.
Okay.
Then come to the exist my sketch.
Okay.
Go to feature. Sweep cut. I just use here the sweep cut. Profile is my this. This is my
Okay.
profile. And this
Okay.
is my sketch. Okay, okay, that's good. Okay, see that? This will be work right now. If I just click on OK, then what you see here?
Yeah. Counter. A chamfer
This will be shown
counter.
a chamfer right there. And this is type of things will be created right there in your nuts, right?
Right.
Same profile you can show here, and then and nuts will be shown this part, right? This is
Right.
called a strip cut. If you want to make this type of thing and in any object in the 3D model, not any other object, in the 3D model, then you can use this part right there. That's clear?
Yes. Yes. Clear.
Okay. Because I do as a wrong way, I don't select this is a curvature. This why this will be not working as properly. But just more. If you want to same thing, you can make here to be in this thing. Then what you do? You can also do here as your
Mirror.
mirror option. We just select yeah, yeah. I find out the mirror. Here we have the option of mirror. If you click on the mirror and then just select your plane, which plane you want to mirror it, then you can select it, and then this will be option will be made.
Okay.
And then click on OK, and this part is will be created, right?
Okay. Right.
If you want to also do as in this thing, you can want to fillet it, and then we have the option of the fillet also. Click on the fillet,
Okay.
and which part you want to fillet is. Just click on this portion, and then just write is 1 mm. I think 1 mm is sufficient. And the same way we can do is between right here, right?
Okay. Right.
And then click on OK, right?
Yes.
So
Right.
you can create your objects right here, right?
Yes.
And in this case, we create bit away. Anything right there, just clear to you.
Yes. Clear.
Good. Okay. Okay, one thing I want to do here, you do make a threading inside it. If you this is your task. If you don't do it, then I explain how to do that.
What I need to do?
Make a threading inside this
Okay. I don't
right
know how
here.
to thread that.
Same way, you can use a strip cut.
Okay.
Make as an object as like that, and then make as a strip cut. Use as a strip cut. This will make
Okay.
your thread.
Okay.
Okay, do yourself. I think I want to. I need to you do yourself your mindset how to do that. If you don't do it, I'll explain this later as tomorrow. Okay, got it?
Got it.
First of all, you practice this example and these topics, right? Because this is
Yes.
very